Namaste students. Today's our topic is what is Competition Act 2002 and why is it made? India's official anti-monopoly body, the Competition Commission of India, had finally become operational from May 20, 2009. It's an independent body responsible for investigating mergers, acquisition and pricing strategy by the different companies. Competition Act 2002 had replaced the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Commission 1969. The Monopoly and Restrictive Trade Practice Act 1969 became obsolete in the present world of throat-cutting competition. The MRTP Act prevents the expansion of the companies whose assets was 100 crore because these companies need to take government permission to expand their business. So was a desperate need to shift our focus from the monopoly to competition. Hence, a new law has been enacted and published in the Gazette of India on 14 January 2003 for bringing competition in the India market. Main motive of the act was to promote the competition in the Indian market so that the interest of customers can be protected and to ensure freedom of trade carried on by participants in the Indian market. CCI, India's official anti-monopoly body, the Competition Commission of India (CCI), had finally become operational from May 20, 2009. It's an independent body responsible for investigating mergers, acquisition and pricing strategy by the different companies. CCI had replaced the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Commission 1969. The objective of Competition Act 2002 to protect the interests of the consumers by providing them good products and services at reasonable prices, to promote healthy competition in the Indian market, to prevent the interest of the smaller companies or prevent the abuse of dominant position in the market, to prevent those practices which have adverse impact on competition in the Indian market, to ensure those practices which have adverse impact on competition in the Indian market, to ensure freedom of trade in Indian markets, to regulate the operation and activities of combinations, acquisition, mergers and amalgamation. The Act mainly covered these aspects: prohibition of anti-competitive agreements, prohibition of abuse of dominancy, regulation of combination, acquisition, mergers and amalgamation of certain size, establishment of the Competition Commission of India, power and function of the Competition Commission of India. The Act identifies three ways which can have adverse effect on the competition: anti-competitive agreement, vertical agreement, horizontal agreement. Abuse of dominant position. Enjoying to a dominant position will not be crime, but abuse will be a crime. Elimination, reduction of competitions in the market achieved through acquisition, mergers and amalgamation. In the recent years, we have observed the CCI has imposed huge penalties on many companies for misusing their dominant position in the market. Some years back, imposed penalty on a big cement company for making cartel in deciding the price of the cement in India.